I can make you this one. Because look, this is basically the same thing. What if we just take this off, which is that, and I just cut these out of foam from Dollar Tree, and it'll say Carter's. And we already have the wreath. Oh, that's a really good idea.
What are you seeing? What are you seeing?
What I'm doing is looking for it.
Red, hold on!
What?
He wants to videotape it.
What?
This one right there. Oh, you right there?
Alright.
Wait, did you mark it?
No, I'm marking it right there.
Oh.
So I can see where the studs are.
Oh.
But, let's see. We might need that still up here. So she want to way up here.
No, go down more. Yeah, go down like this. Right there, the middle.
Alright, let's see this finder. I better know these. Nope.
That's wrong stuff finder. Dang it! Joshua used it. So he's the shelf.
That's good.
Try it again.
Let's see. That's green.
Really? You don't like that, David? Damn it!
I think you should put it against the wall and make it a on for like 30 seconds.
Oh, he's really? She put it up there? What?
Oh, what about under it?
Oh.
You can take it in the air room.
Oh.
I mean, not him, but...
I do want it to kind of be like we're eating in the garden. And we did it. I don't think this is gonna work. I think you lied about it. Maybe you just get some tacks. Probably.
Put one on the tip.
I really like it. What do you have to say? Like, where are you going? David, what are you going to do? Like on the leaf, you think?
Oh no! Put it on the tip.
The tip right there? Like,
Yeah, where the last little piece is, so that weight won't be disturbed.
Why don't you explain what you guys are doing?
We're currently hanging up a fall garland, and we're using these clear double-sided gum.
I kind of like this. Yeah, it looks like one of those Italian restaurants with dust all over it. Who's gonna dust that?
Not as well.
Oh! Who mops the floor? Me?
Well, you don't dust.
How do you know? None of that crap is mine!
You're too busy mopping the floors to dust.
No. That's all he was saying. None of that stuff is mine. I don't dust it, ain't mine.
This week coming will be pumpkin tamales.
Oh, that sounds kind of
Go
interesting.
for it. Are you making spicy?
I'm gonna make them.
David, do you know how to make pumpkin pita bread kind of tortilla thing? Because one of you made a pumpkin. Well, Layla wants lasagna because you know she just started it. Or she was good. No, that's why we gotta hold it up there. So you know how Layla wants, she loves Garfield now, right? We should just try and figure out how to make that healthy lasagna.
Wait, put that one above that one.
But then we still got these figures. That's what I was talking about. We should put them
We can put it underneath it too. Look.
And just go across the bottom with those.
Like this?
Yeah, well, because there's 4, and we go all the way across the bottom with those 4 things.
Oh, like how we had it? You put Family and Gather on top of the peaks or on the in the valley.
Oh! Why don't we do that?
But I want those to go. We can put them there, like on top.
Yeah,
of
like that. Here, I'll move it. Doesn't that look interesting?
Here, hold this one, that one.
then you gotta do the same thing on the other side. I think yours has to slide down more. Oh, maybe not, because you know how they have that wall thing.
Like that?
Yeah, I think we should.
And that still could go on top.
Or if you go on that wall over there.
Carter family gather. That's what it ended up saying. People are gonna love it.
Yep.
Okay. So like this.
If we switch to family gather.
Yeah. I think that's a good idea.
Alright.
Here, Joshua.
these.
Joshua, we need your help.
Why? Just take those down?
No, I want to put that up there to see what it'll look like.
Oh, dang it.
If you hand it to me and then grab yours. Oh yeah, it'll say Carter family gather.
Look at the back. Does that look too busy?
Oh,
You should do it.
that's kind of cool.
Yep, let's do it, Dave. You just have to switch the gather and the family. And, yes, let's do it.
Okay. Did she paint everything yet? We're gonna paint for it.
Yeah, we have to paint it.
This is looking good.
Alright, so, oh, dang it, I got black paint on it. So I'll hold these two so we can start with these two.
Wait, I guess we should measure it.
Dang it, I made it 5 minutes, didn't I? There's that straight?
No.
Okay. That's not straight? Which side is it down?
Same side.
That's right.
That'll work.
This one I think is over one of the other.
Camera kind of boots me.
Huh?
This camera, or maybe it's just the screen is boots me. Looks good.
Then we're gonna record the her. Well, she said she didn't want to be in it. We got all this stuff. Let's see. Oh, David, these little wreaths. He wants to put it in here and hold on, let me do this real quick. And then I'll come on here. Even when I get this, it was out of focus. Dang it. How do you know if the camera's upside down?
Hey.